The team over at SyQon have released Prism Deep denoising scripts for PixInsight and now Photoshop. Let's dive straight into it. My name is Shuin Kashi and you're watching Astro Island. I already have PixInsight open and ready to fire up the new denoising script Prism Deep, now available in PixInsight. So we're going to start off with PixInsight first, and the first thing that we want to do is one, add the script, and then also we want to download the file in which the script will connect to. So let's walk through that step. We're going to go to resources, updates, and manage repositories. We click on add and we paste this URL inside of here. I'm going to put the link in the description down below. So all you need to do is copy and paste it inside of PixInsight. If you click on the link, nothing's going to happen. You actually need to copy it and paste it inside of the repository link, inside of the repository window that you see here. I've already added it. So in your case, you're just going to click OK. And then you can go to resources, updates, check for updates, and then it's going to run. It's going to find the new script that you installed. You're going to have to restart PixInsight after and then add the file. Similar to before, you can go to their website, and I'll put the link in the description down below as well for that. We click on get access, and then in my instance, I'm going to select PixInsight for Windows. Again, remember, be sure to select the operating system that you're using. In my instance, it's going to be Windows. I can add that to cart. And then I can also, because I'm doing both the video for both PixInsight and Photoshop, I can now also add Photoshop and add that to cart as well. Right? I can view the cart and I can also go straight to checkout. Right? From here, just as before, you enter your information and don't forget to add AstroIsland to get 5% off your purchase. So AstroIsland has your back. Enter the code AstroIsland and you're going to get 5% discount. So I'm going to enter in my information, make the payment, and we'll be right back. I've already downloaded the file and placed it inside of a folder that I have all of my other scripts. And this is how it's going to look when you extract it. It's going to be these two. So all we need to do now is to switch over to PixInsight. We go to script and you're going to see SyQon. Remember, we've already restarted PixInsight. So this is going to appear and we select Prism. And of course, from the looks of it, you can tell Starless is always also on its way. So let's start off with Prism. And then I've already done it, but you click on the wrench and now you put it in the path, or you point it towards the path where this file is located, the prism_CLI file. We click on open. So now let's give it a try with the image that we were using in our previous video, the ghost of Cassiopeia. I've already zoomed in and so you can see the noise that's in the image. We go to script, SyQon, we go back to Prism, and we're more or less just going to leave everything at default. Use AMP. And again, I would have explained before, if you don't have a GPU enable card, maybe try enabling these settings and see if it works. If you get any errors, if you do not have a cooler enabled graphics card. So for the strength, I'm just going to test it at full strength of the denoising, and we click OK. And again, the image looks really fantastic. Let's just move this aside. And yes, I am satisfied once more with using Prism Deep, and this time inside of PixInsight. So let's now switch over to Photoshop and see how to install it and begin using Prism Deep denoising inside of Photoshop. Remember, we would have downloaded the Prism Deep file for Photoshop before, so all we need to do is just extract it. Right, so I'm just going to extract it right here. There's a user guide that gives you the full instructions on how to begin installing it for Photoshop and all the various parameters that you can use. If you have any issues, practical guides. Again, if you have low RAM, high RAM, CPU, GPU, etc. So definitely you want to go through this to see that all of the settings and parameters match your machine. So of course, we're just going to start off with the basic installation instructions. So we double click on it. Now this message may come up on your machine. Don't panic, don't worry. You just basically click on more info and you click on run anyway. It's just that Windows sometimes does not recognize this particular application. And we click on yes. And that's basically it. Plain, simple, straight to the point. So now it's been installed to this particular path. So now that we've installed Prism Deep for Photoshop, we want to now open Photoshop. So we double click on it. We click on open and we're going to open the same file, but this time I saved it as a 16-bit TIFF because in most instances, as far as I remember, at least for this version of Photoshop that I'm using, which is 2026, it only works on 16-bit files. So I'm going to go to the path where the file is located, the Ghost of Cassiopeia 16-bit edition. So we double click on it. Right, the file is going to open. Remember, keep in mind, folks, even though yes, this is Photoshop, the file is still in a linear state. So let's keep that in mind. So it's been a while since I've used Photoshop, so I don't recall if there's an auto stretch feature similar to Serial and PixInsight. So I just did some minor stretches on this image, and again, we still see the noise, but now we want to denoise the image. So we go to filter, and as we can see, it's now available SyQon, and we select Prism Astro Denoise. We're gonna leave everything else at default, all the settings are default as recommended in the quick guide. And again, please read through the instructions carefully if you have any issues using the Prism Deep denoising script for Photoshop. So in my instance, I'm just going to leave everything at default and click on Start Processing. And again, the results continue to be consistent. The results continue to be absolutely amazing. So there you have it, folks. Prism Deep Denoising Tool by SyQon, now available for Photoshop. And of course, you'd have seen before, it's also available now for PixInsight. I must admit, this is revolutionary. I've never seen any other denoising programs, at least in my opinion, come close to this in recent times. So showing from the past is now going to tell you how do you go about making that purchase and getting your AstroIsland discount on Prism Deep by SyQon. Use the code AstroIsland when making your purchase and get 5% off. So there you have it. Even discounts are being applied now when you purchase SyQon Prism Deep. So take full advantage of it. Enjoy SyQon Prism Deep and let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. And while you're there, click the join button to become a channel member where you can get exclusive access to videos and many other perks that are available when you become a channel member. You can also support me on Patreon as well as check out my website where you can purchase exclusive AstroIsland merchandise. I'll put links in the description down below so you can click on each of them, check them out, and enjoy everything that AstroIsland has to offer. So now it's time to close off. So I close off by saying it's not the size of your telescope that counts, it's how you use it. Bye for now, take care, and I'll see you again soon at Astro Island.